Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add custom colors to your Notion workspace. This is a fantastic way to make your pages stand out and organize information visually, giving your workspace a more personalized and professional look. Let's get started. First, head over to your Notion workspace and navigate to the page or database where you want to add these custom colors. This could be a project tracker, a personal journal, or any page where you feel a splash of color would enhance readability and visual appeal. Once you've opened the right page, click on the empty area where you'd like your custom colored text to appear. This sets the stage for adding your colorful content. Now, here's where the magic happens. Type color into that space. Inside those empty brackets, after color, you'll specify which color you want to use. You can keep it simple by typing common color names like blue, green, or red. However, if you're looking for something more specific, you can use a hex code instead. Hex codes are 6-digit color codes you can find on websites like htmlcolorcode.com or coolors.co, and they give you access to virtually any color imaginable. After setting your color, continue by typing color text in. Place the actual text you want to display inside those brackets. This structure tells Notion exactly what color to apply and what text to show. Next, select the entire text you just typed. A pop-up toolbar will appear above your selection with several formatting options. Look for the option that says Mark as Equation, which is represented by an equation icon. Click on it, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+E to do this quickly. Once marked as an equation, click Done. This step transforms your plain text into a beautifully colored element that integrates seamlessly into your page. If you want to take things a step further, you can modify the text style by adjusting the text command. For instance, changing it to text BF will make your text bold, giving it more weight and emphasis. If you prefer a more elegant look, Text It will render your text in italics. These small tweaks allow you to customize not just the color but also the style, making your Notion pages truly unique. And there you have it, you've successfully added custom colors to your Notion workspace, elevating your pages with personalized, eye-catching text. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.